Brass Jacks presents.
Back in, say, 2006, I had my last day job. I was the controller and HR manager at a technology company. Now, at the point in time when this happened in 2006, I was designated as a bookkeeper. I hadn't received my pay raise and my new titles yet, but I was doing all the same work. So I'm sitting there at my desk doing my thing, and one of the business owners walks in and he's like, your job is going away. Bookkeeping isn't going to exist anymore. You need to go figure out what you're doing with your life because all of bookkeeping is being outsourced to the Philippines and other countries. Well, that was true for the megacorps we worked with. Absolutely, the bookkeeping was outsourced to other countries. But you know what? For the average micro business, people with 50 or less employees, they're not outsourcing overseas. And the thing is, the outsourcing of overseas totally fell apart, and then it became the bank feed, and now it's AI and reading receipts. And with each one of these changes to our industry, there are good aspects to it, but it's not replacing bookkeepers. Even if you try to automate everything and have AI, you still need an AI babysitter. In fact, bookkeeping has become more technical. You need a better understanding of software interfaces and things like that. And so is bookkeeping worth it, like getting involved in this industry? Absolutely. It is highly, highly rewarding. As long as you're the type of person that enjoys taking the win, like, yes, I figured out the reconciliation, and that joy of accomplishing things and knowing you're doing a good job. Because you're not always going to be thanked and appreciated as much as you should be in your workplace. And I highly encourage all of you to seek out those employers and those jobs where you are appreciated. A lot of times they're the business owners that have had theft, embezzlement, or something like that happen. Audit, IRS audit, not being able to get a loan because the financials were in such bad shape. All of those things help business owners appreciate how important bookkeeping is on a weekly, monthly basis. And it's not just about getting the taxes done at the end of the year. So yes, this is a hugely rewarding career, whether you decide to do it as an employee or as a contractor. It is so rewarding, and it is such a fun career to be part of. But make sure that you have boundaries and find the position, the jobs where you're not being overstressed by a business owner who's ignoring cash flow and forcing you to try to scramble to find money for payroll, almost every payroll. Like, that's the stuff that's going to kill you. Bookkeeping is a highly rewarding career, but I need all of you to be thoughtful and picky about finding the jobs that you want and finding the clients you want if you're a contractor. Because we all deserve to be respected and appreciated for what we do and the contributions that we make to these companies.